Today we shall discuss about trigonometric identities. Identities mean we all know that sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. That means sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1, or you can write it sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Then at first we have to know what is identity. Identity means this expression sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 is always true for every values of theta. That means if theta is equal to pi by 3, then sin square pi by 3 plus cos square pi by 3, sin square pi by 3 means root 3 by 2 its square and half square, then 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4, this is equal to 1. If you put pi by 4, then this is 1 by root 2 square plus 1 by root 2 square, this is equal to 1. If you put sin is equal to pi by 6, then this is equal to half square plus root 3 by 2 its square is equal to 1. From where we decide that for every values of theta the expression is true. For every values of theta the expression sin square x plus cos square x, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 is true. Such type of identities are sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta, cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Do you understand what I want to say? This is called identity. Now we discuss about the problems regarding identity. Now today I shall discuss with you about some problem regarding identity. If x plus y is equal to 90 degree, then tan x into tan y is equal to 1 and cot x into cot y is equal to 1. How is it possible? Tan x, y means tan y means 90 degree minus x, that means tan 90 minus x. You know that tan x into tan 90 minus x is cot x, this is equal to cot x, and tan x cot x cancelling we get 1. Same and similar, cot x into cot y means 90 minus x, that means cot x into cot 90 minus theta means tan x, that is tan x into cot x is equal to 1. Then this is an answer and this is your answer. This is your answer. Now a beautiful problem is tan 5x. If tan 5x into tan 4x is equal to 1, then find the value of tan 3x. From the identity, you get tan 5x into tan 4x is equal to 1. I have already shown to you that tan x into tan y is equal to 1 means x plus y is equal to 90 degree. From here you can say that 5x plus 4y is equal to 90 degree. Sorry, 5x plus 4x is equal to 90 degree. That means 9x is equal to 90 degree. That means x is equal to 10. And then tan 3x means tan 3 into 10 degree. So 1 tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. This is your answer. This is your answer. Okay.